Hello darlings, and welcome back to another video, another vlog of mine. And this time I will be showing you what I do in quarantine to keep busy and basically throw you some ideas of how you can be productive or to kill some time. So the other day I went to Aldi to pick up some milk and I ended up buying this. Yes, another plant, and it's very cute because it has that very cute pink and green shading. I've named her Flora because she was my favorite from the wings, and it's like the same color, so I'll show you here. And yeah, I used to watch it a lot when I was younger, so I got it, but this pot is too small for it, so I will have to replant it in a bigger pot that I got from B&Q. And from B&Q I got this one, which is very pretty and very functional. Why, you would ask? Well, it has the plater already in the purchase price. It has a hole on the inside because usually if I don't buy it all together they don't have a hole on the inside, and I make my dad do the hole for me. And this one is just very cute in general. So now basically we're just gonna put Flora inside of here. So yeah, planting has been becoming a passion of mine lately, and it's something that you can do in quarantine because you can take care of more plants, learn how to take care of them properly, like by watching YouTube videos, for example. There's so much knowledge everywhere. And the one that I got, it's actually, the plant name is called Fitonia. It's an indoor plant and it likes a temperature of between 15 to 22 degrees, which is perfect for indoor. So I basically got soil from our front garden, like you can see, and we're just gonna put it in there. But if you want to buy soil, you can get it like from B&Q or wherever it is, like already in a pack, and it's just gonna be super easy for you. I just decided that I don't want to pay money and that we have some extra soil that we do not otherwise utilize, so that's why I basically digged it out. And voila! Flora is all ready and she's about to go to her new forever home. I actually love flowers, and I don't know if it's strange, but I do name every single one of my flowers. So I have Anastasia, I have Rebecca, I have Betty, and now I have Flora. So yeah, gardening is a very good activity that you can do, and if you do have a big nice garden where you can take care of more plants or grow your own vegetables, it would be amazing. Another great activity that you can try out at home and experiment with a bit is cooking. It's nothing new, but you have a bit more time on your hands now, so why not try an experiment in the kitchen? I have previously done a great video on the Palm app and why I love it so much. I'm gonna link it over here. It's just a great app and she adds new recipes all the time, and I can't wait to experiment with them, see if I like them, and practice my cooking skills a bit, because they're not the best, but I do enjoy when I manage to cook something delicious. Or if you're not into cooking, why not try walking and just taking walks in nature? Did you know that being in nature and going for even short walks, it's good not only for your mental health but also for your physique? And since I'm talking about walking and the benefits of this, I wanted to share with you what I have started. Me and my boyfriend actually made a bet like 2 weeks ago that I won't be able to walk the distance from Glasgow to Manchester, which equals 333 kilometers. And stay tuned for this video in about a month, because I'm going to do it. And for the past month I've been walking at least 16,000 steps, and every day. So we'll see if it has like any positive effects on my body, if it has any positive effects on my mental health or anything, but I think it's generally a good thing to walk, even for a short walk. So yeah, to make this video I have actually went outside because I still need to do my steps for the day, so it's a win-win situation. So go and have a walk outside, and I promise you're gonna feel better, even if especially if you have like a lot of things on your mind. Go and take a walk for 5 minutes. So let's go back home now. So that's another activity that I love doing during quarantine, and is to make clay things basically. So this one is a candle holder but with a little twist on it, so it's like a Victorian candle holder because it has like a little handle over here. So I'm gonna do another one for my bigger one, and I'll put it in my room. And I already have like bits of clay, air dry clay, which I have already painted in different colors, and I want to make something like color block maybe. And basically if you want to color your clay, you just mix it with a little bit of acrylic paint and you just like smudge it very well. It's a few days later, and I just want to show you what I made out of the air dry clay. And it's this little thing over here which has pastel colors on it, and it has a very weird shape because I'm not used to doing it yet, but it was a very fun thing to do. And if you ask what it is, it's a candle holder, a weird shaped candle holder. So I'm gonna be putting it into my room because it's still cute. It doesn't look perfect, but I think that's the whole idea of the air dry clay. It has to have its like natural shapes, and the less perfect that it is, the better it looks, if you ask me. Still prefer this one that I made. It's just because you can hold it over here, and it has very cute pastel colors on it as well. And the light goes like this inside, and you can like go around into rooms and like lighting your way and stuff. Very Victorian style, but so cute. Another great idea that you can do during lockdown is to start renovating either your kitchen. We're going to be doing in our family the kitchen soon, but we're also adding insulation to our house on all sides. And yeah, we're basically utilizing the colder months at the moment, and we're not in the garden yet, and that's why we have the work going just now. So if you have anything to be doing around the house, like changing the fencing, working on the garden, or anything manual like that, I'd say lockdown is the perfect time to do it. So that's what it looks like at the moment. They have actually put like those blue thingies on all the windows and the door. That's Sammy. Say hi, Sammy. Our groomer is still not working, and we're waiting for an appointment. That's why he looks like that, like a little Chewbacca. But yeah, we have like those blue things all over the windows, and it's really shitty to be honest because you cannot open the windows at the moment at all, which is very annoying. And also the lighting inside the house is hideous. It's the most awful blue lighting, and it makes your face look so awful. Like if you have underbags, they look 20 times worse than they would be without that lighting. So that's why I'm avoiding filming on the inside at the moment. I'm waiting for them to remove the blue thingies so I can upload more videos for you, and that's why I'm figuring out like videos on the outside because it's tiny bit better. So yeah, I'd say lockdown is the perfect time for renovating. And while I'm on the outside and just like brainstorming, I would say drawing, making all sorts of pictures. It's a great way to kill time. So for you to make a painting or a drawing of any kind, I don't think that you need to be a professional or know that you're doing. There are many of those tutorials on YouTube where you can just like follow step by step, like with a glass of wine, and try to do your best. It's just a fun activity that you can do. So those are my more creative alternatives for what you can do during lockdown and in your free time, and just in general, to be honest. I hope you've enjoyed them. If you want to know more, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!